Hey everybody, it is Eric from EP Autos, and I'm here with my White Whale, this 1980 Harley Sportster. I'm trying to figure out how come the electric start mechanism is not working. I have checked all the wiring. I have put a new breaker on the circuit that controls the starter solenoid. In fact, it has a new starter solenoid. The starter on the other side of the bike, let's have a look. Starter right here, it spins. It seems to freewheel spin when I hit the starter button. So minimally we know all the electrical connections work and that the starter solenoid engages. The thing that's got me stumped is the following. Let's see if I can do this. I've only got a couple of hands, so hopefully I can show you. What is supposed to happen, there's this plunger here, and that's on the other side of the solenoid. You push on that, you can see that little gear maybe. Let's see if I can do this to do it. Alright, so if you see that gear, there's a gear right here. When the solenoid kicks that in, that gear is supposed to engage. You can see the gear engaging the bigger gear here on the back of the clutch basket, and it does seem to do that. So everything seems to be mechanically connected. The problem is, okay, this is the shaft that goes back to the pinion gear on the other side of the starter that spins. Here's the problem. Hit the starter button, this happens, it engages, but these gears do not turn. The starter just continues to freewheel. You can hear it going whirr. It's not like it's straining against the inertia of the clutch basket and doesn't have the power to turn it. It seems as though it's not physically connected. And I'm pretty stumped. I don't get it. The teeth on the gear all look good. I don't see any problems with stuff meshing. So I just don't know. I can't quite figure it out. I'm stumped. I freely admit to being stumped. I have never worked on a Harley before. I'm a Japanese bike guy. Never ever had a problem like this before. So I'm hoping somebody out there might have some tips, ideas, probably somebody who's been through this before. This is a 1980 Harley Sportster. So come on down to epautos.com and throw me a bone if you would. Thanks for viewing.